I only have a few pages left in the sketchbook, and here I have some rainbow pencils I got from Christmas from my husband, and I already have one sharpened. So I think it would be really cool to do a rainbow doodle spread here. I will be doodling rabbits because I have an obsession with them. How about some bunnies doing little kisses? Let's see, we'll do it this way. And a cute little cheek here. I don't want to spend too much time since it's just a little cute sketch of them. Yoink, like that. Do the little feet. And I'm not looking for like perfection by all means, just some quick little cute doodles of them. And there's some cuteness. Very cute. I'm just gonna put a little heart at the top. Yoink. Now, how about a rabbit being a loaf? Let's see. And then its chest goes like so, feet like this. And then I actually have some rabbits that'll lay a little weird with their back feet out like that. And sometimes they'll put their tails down like this. And they just like lay really funny and weird sometimes. There. And then they're cute. Little chunky cheek with the eye like so. And a nose. I actually have rabbits outside. They're actually the kids to my house rabbit, Pepper. And they are black and white spotted and gray spotted like their dad. So I think it is appropriate to make one spotted with the signature mustache he has. And yeah, it's just super cute and spotted all over, and it's rainbow. So that's cute. So here I have one of them facing us, and let's work on this one that's kind of being also a little bit of a loaf here. Sometimes I actually will see my rabbits sleeping kind of with their heads on the ground, resting. They look kind of goofy, honestly, with like how their legs are and stuff. But sometimes I have one of my rabbits with like a droop ear when they are relaxed. But rabbits, whenever they lay down, can kind of look a little goofy, honestly. But I have some that just like put their head down and sleep like that, and it's super cute and just really goofy looking, but they're still really cute. And if you didn't know, a rabbit jumping is called a binky. When they're playing and they're happy, they'll just do these little jumps, and they're really cute whenever they do that. And let's do this. And sometimes they have some really funny poses when it comes to them also jumping. I don't know what it is, but I feel like rabbits are just like these little goofy animals. That just, I don't know, they just make my day. But yeah. And sometimes they have like weird positions though, and I swear that they just don't know what to do with their legs sometimes, because they could be a bit big and stuff. So a little stumpy and awkward sometimes. Let's do one standing in the grass, and I want to draw the grass first here. It's kind of tall. Then we'll draw the head first. I don't know what it is, but some rabbits have like more of an angular look um, of a face than others. I don't know what it is about that, because a lot of people think their heads are pretty smooth, and a lot of them are. Don't get me wrong, but also um, some don't have that. And sometimes their eyes actually face a little bit more closer to the nose, which is surprising because typically people talk about rabbits having eyes closer to the side of their head. But some of mine actually, like if you look at them, some of their eyes are closer and more close to the top of their head rather than to the side and lower. So it really just depends on the rabbit. And here, let's draw one. Oh, hiding in some grass. Once I get my camera to focus a little bit. With my rabbits, I actually have a pin, and sometimes I'll use my dog run as well. This one's going to be sleeping. To run around outside. I can't really do it during the winter because we get a lot of hawks in the spring, and it just worries me. And the neighbor dogs have been out also, so they haven't really been able to run. But I really like mine to do natural foliage and eat that. But yeah, this one's going to be sleeping in some bushes here, or it could be tall grass or something, but this one is going to be in a bush. Then in the extra space, I want to add like carrots and little bits of food that they would eat that I normally give them, or treats as well. How about some celery over here as well? Let's do it this way. Whoop. Mine really like celery, and my rabbits can be picky about what food they get, which you would think they would, but sometimes they have preferences to other. And then how about a bit of a apple slice here? Let's see if I can get some red here. There we go. Just a little bit. I can't always control, actually quite often I cannot control the color, so I'm surprised I was able to do that. But sometimes I'll give them apples. Fun fact, I am actually allergic to most fruit from the store due to pesticides. So I always have to wear like gloves when it comes to like handling fruit and stuff that I don't know where it's been or where it's came from. And then I want to do a dandelion here. And dandelions are very healthy for them in fair amounts of quantity. And the entire plant is safe for them. So, and we get tons and tons of dandelions because I spread out the seeds every year. And we love making dandelion jelly and dandelion tea. That is delicious and actually very good for you. And here we go. There. And right here, I'm going to put a branch. We actually grow mulberry bushes, trees. They turn into trees if you don't cut them back and watch them. But it's very good for them, also safe, and they really love it. But we actually go out of our way and grow them, and they really love the fruit, and we love the fruit as well. But apple sticks and stuff are good for them too. And I just want to add that in here. And add some leaves if I can. Just fill in all the space. And I really love how rainbow it is on this page and how bright it is. Over here, I want to add a oak plant here. But you actually have to watch grasses and stuff that you give them. Timothy and alfalfa in certain quantities, but all of mine get natural forage fed, like I said, which is like stuff that's grown from our field and other farmers that I ask them several questions of what's in their field, how they grow it, so everything's locally grown for them. And I really like that about the community, that I can just do that. And it's actually cheaper for you to get hay from a farmer than it is to go get from a store. And they will let you know what is in it and which one is best to give to your animals. Last, I want to add a clover leaf over here. And actually, if you give your rabbit too much clover, which mine don't actually get a whole bunch of it because our yard's a mix of everything, it can actually be bad for them because the flowers and stuff actually have like sugars and stuff. But you could look up like, the different side effects if you give them too much. The green part's fine. It's the flowers that definitely, too much of it can make them like sick and stuff. But I spread those plants around in the yard as well. But you could definitely look it up. I don't know all of the properties of it, exactly what happens to them and what causes it, like the side effects and stuff. But I do know too much is not good for them. There. This is how it looks, and I want to outline it, and I'm going to date it, and I will show you how that looks. I wasn't going to use black, but I feel like some of it needs more defined, so I'm just going to go around and do some touch-ups to it real quick. This is it finished, and I don't feel like the black took over the page at all. It really made some things pop out better, which I really like. But let me know what you think of this spread in my sketchbook.